Imagine stepping off your cruise ship and walking directly into Europe's oldest continuously inhabited city, a place where 3,000 years of history unfold before your eyes, where golden beaches meet ancient Roman theatres, and where you can experience authentic Andalusian culture without the crowds of Seville. Welcome to Cadiz, Spain, and here's what makes this port truly special. While most cruise passengers rush off on expensive day trips to Seville, they're missing one of Europe's most charming and walkable historic cities right at their doorstep. I'm here with travel day trip ideas, and today we're exploring Cadiz, showing you why this underrated gem deserves your full attention and how to experience its magic without breaking the bank on overpriced ship excursions. Cadiz isn't just another Spanish port. It's a living museum where Phoenicians, Romans, Moors, and Spanish cultures have layered their stories across millennia. What makes this perfect for cruise travelers? Your ship docks literally in the city centre, making everything walkable within minutes of disembarking. Here's why Cadiz should be on every Mediterranean cruise itinerary. First, it's incredibly convenient. No shuttles needed, just walk straight into the historic centre. Second, it's authentically Spanish without tourist traps. Locals still outnumber visitors in most areas. Third, it offers incredible value. World-class sights, beautiful beaches, and fantastic food at prices that won't shock you. In the next 8 minutes, I'll reveal the top 5 must-see attractions, share the best local experiences, give you practical tips for getting around, and show you how to save money while experiencing the real Cadiz that most tourists never discover. Your cruise ship docks at Cadiz port, and here's the incredible part. You're already in the heart of one of Europe's most historic cities. The moment you walk off the ship, you're surrounded by the atmosphere of old Andalusia. The cruise terminal is modern and efficient, but don't linger there. From the port, everything is walkable. The old town is literally across the street, the cathedral is a 10-minute stroll, and the beaches are just 15 minutes away on foot. If you want to venture further, local buses cost just €1.10 per ride, and taxis are readily available with reasonable fixed rates. The beauty of Cadiz is its compact size. You can see the major sights, enjoy a beach, and experience local culture all within a few hours, making it perfect for a relaxing port day. Top 5 must-see attractions. Number 1. Cadiz Cathedral, the Golden Dome. Let's start with Cadiz's most iconic landmark, the stunning cathedral with its golden dome that dominates the city skyline. Built over 116 years using wealth from New World trade, this baroque and neoclassical masterpiece tells the story of Cadiz's golden age. What makes this cathedral special isn't just its architecture. It's the Torre de Poniente bell tower you can climb for panoramic views of the city, Atlantic Ocean, and your cruise ship below. Entry costs just €7 and includes an audio guide. The cathedral sits in a charming square surrounded by cafes where you can enjoy coffee and tapas while admiring the facade. Pro tip: visit in the late afternoon when the golden dome literally glows in the Andalusian sunlight. Number 2. Roman Theatre, hidden ancient wonder. Here's something most visitors miss. Cadiz has one of Spain's largest and oldest Roman theatres, dating back to the 1st century BC. Discovered only in 1980, this archaeological gem could seat 10,000 spectators and shows just how important Cadiz was in the Roman Empire. The best part? It's completely free to visit and located right behind the cathedral. The entrance is a bit hidden through the Los Blancos arch, but it's worth seeking out. You can walk through the ancient stone seating and imagine gladiators and performers entertaining Roman crowds 2,000 years ago. This site perfectly captures Cadiz's layered history, Roman ruins beneath medieval neighbourhoods, all within a vibrant modern city. Number 3. La Caleta Beach, the city's golden gem. No visit to Cadiz is complete without experiencing La Caleta Beach, the city's most famous stretch of golden sand nestled between 2 ancient castles. This isn't just any beach. It's where James Bond's Die Another Day was filmed, standing in for Havana, Cuba. What makes La Caleta special is its protected location, creating calm waters perfect for swimming, and its incredible setting with the Castillo de San Sebastián and Castillo de Santa Catalina standing guard on either side. The beach has a distinctly local feel. You'll see Spanish families enjoying the sun alongside visitors. It's just a 20-minute walk from the port, or you can take the local bus for €1.10. The beach has facilities, restaurants, and that perfect golden sand that makes Cadiz beaches famous throughout Spain. Number 4. Old Town and Mercado Central. Cadiz's Old Town is a maze of narrow streets, hidden plazas, and beautiful 18th century merchant houses that tell the story of the city's wealth during the American trade boom. Unlike many tourist-heavy old towns, this one feels authentically lived in. The heart of local life is the Mercado Central, Spain's oldest covered market dating back to the 1830s. This isn't just a tourist attraction, it's where locals shop for fresh seafood, produce, and regional specialties. You'll find excellent tapas stalls around the market's edges, perfect for trying local delicacies like tortillitas de camarones, shrimp fritters, and pescaíto frito, fried fish. Wandering these streets, you'll discover hidden churches, charming squares, and local shops selling everything from Andalusian ceramics to regional wines. It's the perfect place to experience authentic Spanish life. Number 5. Torre Tavira and city views. For the best views in Cadiz, head to Torre Tavira, the city's official watchtower and highest point. This 18th century tower was one of over 100 watchtowers built by merchants to spot ships returning from the Americas laden with treasure. What makes Torre Tavira unique is its camera obscura, a fascinating optical device that projects live, moving images of the city onto a screen. It's like watching Cadiz in real time from above, and the guide provides a live tour of what you're seeing. The 360-degree views from the top are spectacular. You can see the entire peninsula, the Atlantic Ocean, your cruise ship, and understand why Cadiz's location made it so strategically important throughout history. Entry is €8, and there are English tours of the camera obscura several times daily. Local food and authentic experiences. Cadiz offers some of Andalusia's most authentic culinary experiences. The city's location means incredible fresh seafood, and the local specialties are unlike anything you'll find elsewhere in Spain. You must try tortillitas de camarones, tiny shrimp fritters that are crispy, flavorful, and absolutely addictive. They're available at bars throughout the Old Town and at the market. Pair them with a glass of manzanilla sherry, produced in nearby Sanlúcar de Barrameda. For a full meal, look for pescaíto frito, mixed fried fish served in paper cones. It's casual, delicious, and very affordable. The best spots are around the market and in the Old Town's narrow streets. Don't miss trying local cheeses, especially payoyo from the nearby Sierra de Grazalema, and sample some jamón ibérico with a glass of local wine. The prices are incredibly reasonable compared to other cruise ports. You can have an excellent meal with wine for €15 to €20 per person. Here are insider tips to make your Cadiz visit smooth and affordable. First, everything is walkable, but wear comfortable shoes. The Old Town has cobblestone streets and some hills. The city is very safe, even for solo travelers. Second, if you want to visit Seville, trains run regularly and take about 1.5 hours each way. However, consider spending your time in Cadiz instead. You'll see more, spend less, and avoid the crowds. Third, local buses are excellent and cheap at €1.10 per ride. They connect all major attractions and beaches. The tourist office near the port provides free maps and bus schedules. Fourth, many shops close for siesta from 2 to 5 p.m, so plan accordingly. Restaurants typically open for lunch at 1 p.m. and dinner at 8 p.m. Finally, don't feel pressured to book expensive cruise excursions. Cadiz is perfect for independent exploration, and local tour guides offer excellent walking tours for €15 to €20 per person, a fraction of ship tour costs. Beyond La Caleta, Cadiz offers several beautiful beaches. Playa Victoria stretches for miles along the Atlantic coast and is easily reached by bus number 1 from the city centre. This beach has golden sand, good facilities, and is popular with locals. For something more secluded, consider Playa de Cortadura, accessible by bus number 7. It's less crowded and offers beautiful dunes and clear water. If you prefer staying central, the waterfront promenade around the old town is perfect for a leisurely stroll with ocean views. You'll pass the beautiful Alameda Apodaca Gardens and can stop at waterfront cafes for drinks with harbour views. The great thing about Cadiz beaches is they're not commercialised. You'll find authentic Spanish beach culture, reasonable prices for food and drinks, and that relaxed Andalusian atmosphere. Cadiz proves that sometimes the best travel experiences are right in front of you. While other passengers rush off to distant cities, you can discover 3,000 years of history, relax on beautiful beaches, enjoy incredible local cuisine, and experience authentic Andalusian culture, all within walking distance of your ship. This city rewards travelers who take time to explore its layers, from Roman ruins to Moorish influences, from Golden Age architecture to modern Spanish life. It's affordable, accessible, and authentically Spanish in a way that's becoming rare in popular cruise destinations. The beauty of Cadiz is its unhurried pace. You can see the major sights in a morning, enjoy a leisurely lunch with local wine, spend the afternoon on the beach, and still have time to watch the sunset from the Cathedral Square. It's the perfect antidote to rushed, expensive cruise excursions. Thanks for joining us for this journey through Cadiz, Spain. If this video showed you a side of Spain you didn't expect to find at a cruise port, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more guides that help you discover authentic experiences while saving money. What appeals to you most about Cadiz? The ancient Roman theatre? Those beautiful golden beaches? Or maybe the authentic local food scene? Share your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing what excites fellow travelers about new destinations. And here's your money-saving tip. Check the video description below for links to our recommended local tours and experiences in Cadiz. These trusted local operators offer everything from historical walking tours to food and wine experiences, all at genuine local prices that are typically half what you'd pay for cruise ship excursions. Safe travels, and I'll see you exploring another amazing Mediterranean port soon.